Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to record Google Meet for free. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. If you have any seminar or online class, if you want to record for future purpose, this video might be helpful for you. Just enter into your Chrome browser, search for Google Chrome extension or Chrome extension. And then enter into extension, then search for screen recorder. At the top you may see scre.io. just enter into it and then click add to Chrome. You can take any of the extension over there, it's up to you. Just press the puzzle icon for extension and pin it. Once you pin the icon, screen recorder icon, which is to the left of the puzzle icon, I'm going to create a meeting to show how it's recording, and then click the screen recorder and set the options how you are going to record, like you want to record only screen or screen plus camera or only camera, it's up to you. It had 3 options. Once you click, it shows the audio options like none, microphone, system plus mic. Then click start recording and then click allow, and then select the screen to record, like entire screen or Windows or only Chrome tab, it's up to you. Turn on auto share system audio and then click share. Now the screen is recording. I'm just showing how it's recording. I'm just moving the cursor to show how it's recording. Once you're done, or you need to pause or anything, you can press pause and resume. Once it's done, please click stop and it asks to save. Just click continue. Now it's saved. Click save. Now it's saved. Just click the folder for file location. Most probably it will be saved on your downloads. This is the recorded video. Now it's playing. You may see the 2 cursor on that. I'm just showing the differentiator. This is how you need to record your video for free in Google Meet. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.